Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this is no longer located in. Verify the item's location in Windows 11 when trying to delete a folder here in your laptop or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed with the description box below. You would be able to see there a command text, which is this del space /f space /a space /q space question mark %1 rd space /s space /q space question mark %1. So copy it, and once you have copied it, please proceed at the desktop screen. Please do a right click, go with new, and select text document. Okay, so we need to double tap on this text document, and we need to paste the command text that we have just copied a while ago. We're here. You need to proceed at the upper left side of it. You would be able to see an option called File. Click on it, and here you need to go with Saved As. Okay, so you need to choose the desktop as your location. Click on it, and you need to rename the file into del.bat. Once you have renamed it, click on Saved and close this window. Once you have successfully create a del file, which is this, okay, you need to set this aside and you need to drag your folder into this that we have just created. In this window, in this manner, it will be deleted here in your Windows or computer. The file folder that you have currently facing an error on deleting will be deleted successfully. Okay? So that's how easy to delete the file folder. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to comment below if you have succeeded on deleting the file folder, and don't forget also to give a thumbs up. Okay? So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.